Welcome everyone. This is Gunbay channel, and today we were gonna unbox another Rapidity Beyblade. So before that, please like and subscribe to my channel. Like and subscribe to my channel again. So this is Gunbay channel. Today we're gonna unbox this Beyblade from Rapidity. It's Nightmare Rex. Okay. This is a bootleg Beyblade. This is the combo. Okay, let's open it. Okay. The last one is the launcher. I have bunch of launcher on my toolbox. I don't know what to do with them. Maybe giving away. This is the launcher. So this is the Beyblade. This is from Metal Masters, I think. Please comment down below from what series came from. Okay. This is the combo. This is not so tight. This is the base bolt. This is the clear wheel and the metal frame. It's so heavy. Next, this is the stickers. It's so very bad stickers. You can notice it's very cheap. Okay. Next is the track. It's separate. And the last one is the tool and the bottom. I watched already the Takara version of this. This is not the original bottom of this bay, unfortunately. If you want to get the original one, you have to buy the Takara Tomy version. This is the extra tip. So this is the content of the box. Let's build it. Before that, I will show it to you guys the Rapidity. This is how it looks. Oh, this is the metal frame. The metal frame has a coated paint on it, not just a metal. Next is the track. I think you have to put it on. Later I will show you when I built it. This is the tool. This is the face bolt. It is tattooed face bolt. There is a already logo on it, so you don't have to use this sticker. So let's build it. I don't know how to build it. I think this is the oh yes, this is the right I just bought it on the market here in the Philippines, like Changi. Some of you asking me where did I get this kind of Beyblades. So we have a downtown market here. We call it Palengke. So that's where I bought it. It's only 80 pesos. So if you are in other country, I think you can buy it on eBay, Amazon for a, I think for $1 to $2. So this is it. It's already built. Looks good to me. It's pretty heavy. Okay. So that was it. So uh, before I leave, please like and subscribe to my channel. I will post in my next video. I will post a scam video because I got scammed from online shopping. I ordered Brave Valkyrie, but uh, it came with a bootleg Beyblade. I paid for uh, $20 for it, but the Beyblade is fake. So I already requested for return and get back my money. So that's all. I just want to share it with you guys. So this is it. My little unboxing with Nightmare Rex from Rapidity. So I hope you like my video, guys. Please like and subscribe. Thank you for your support, and please stay tuned on my next video. So this is Ganbei channel, and see you soon.